Welcome to our video on AI agents in commerce. Today we explore how these technologies are changing the shopping experience, focusing on what an agent is, the 7 key touchpoints in the customer journey, and the 8 core use cases you should understand for your business governance decisions. Imagine a world where your next visitor isn't a person, but a machine shopping on behalf of a human. This shift is redefining how we think about e-commerce as we move toward 2026. For decades, we designed stores for human eyes, focusing on photography, SEO, and branding. Now, a shopper may use an AI assistant to find a laptop with specific specs, a warranty, and a delivery time. The agent handles the search, comparison, and transaction. Your brand might never even be seen. This new journey proves that while humans used to search and click buy on your site, agents are now handling those steps. This forces us to rethink marketing, product data, payment operations, and how we ensure accountability for the actions these agents take on our behalf. In this video, you will learn to define an AI agent, determine appropriate levels of autonomy, trace the 7 essential touchpoints of the agentic shopping journey, and judge various use cases based on risk, value, and data quality. Our journey today covers 6 key areas: defining agents, distinguishing them from tools, understanding levels of autonomy, identifying 7 agent types, mapping the customer journey, and evaluating 8 core use cases. Notably, most of these are management challenges, not just technical ones. So what exactly is an AI agent? It is an AI-enabled system that pursues a goal by perceiving, reasoning, and acting within a loop. Unlike ordinary AI that stops after answering a question, an agent can continue to take actions on your systems, like adding items to a cart or making a payment. It is critical to distinguish between an AI model, an AI tool, and an AI agent. An AI model is the underlying intelligence. An AI tool is an application like a chatbot. An AI agent is an autonomous system that plans and executes actions to reach a specific goal. Autonomy is measured in levels, from AI-assisted suggestions to fully agentic systems. As autonomy rises, so does the need for governance. A rule-based system automates if X, then do Y, but an agent is given a goal to achieve within set limits. Agents can be classified by their function: research, content creation, recommendation, conversation, shopping, operation, or management. Each type performs specific tasks and carries unique risks that you must manage. When implementing agents, authority is structured in 5 levels, ranging from simply observing and detecting anomalies to managing multi-step autonomous goals. You must ensure that autonomy increases only as value and risk controls improve. Now let's explore the 7 touches of AI agents in commerce. This framework helps us understand exactly where a machine interacts with your business operations. The first 4 touches are: understand where the agent processes goals and constraints, search where it finds offers, compare where it analyzes attributes, and evaluate where it decides which option best meets the user's requirements. The final 3 touches move from recommendation to action: recommend, transact, and manage post-purchase. This is where AI becomes a functional partner, making decisions and managing the customer experience throughout the life cycle of the purchase. To thrive in this environment, your storefront must be optimized not just for human eyes, but for machine interpretation. This means structured product attributes, machine-readable pricing, and clear data are no longer optional. If agents cannot read your data, your business becomes invisible. Now let's dive into the 8 core AI use cases. These cover the entire value chain, from market research to the final transaction, providing a clear scope for your strategy and governance planning. These cases span market, marketing, customer experience, and operations. Each offers distinct value, but they also require careful management. Note that the further right we move toward transaction, the more the risk increases, necessitating stronger human oversight. The first use case is AI market research. By analyzing thousands of customer reviews, AI can identify patterns and insights much faster than a human team. Just remember, the AI provides a hypothesis, so always verify a sample by hand before making decisions. Second is Gen AI content creation. While it can produce countless marketing variants in minutes, it cannot replace your actual strategy. Ensure you monitor the correction rate. If you're rewriting too much, you aren't saving time. Third, we have recommendation systems. These improve conversion by matching users to products. However, avoid the A/B trap. Guard against agents that maximize clicks while sacrificing profit margins or customer satisfaction in the long run. Moving to operations, we see chatbots, review analysis, and demand forecasting. The real value here isn't just processing high volumes of text. It's the concrete business improvements, like optimizing a size chart or preventing stockouts that follow. Dynamic pricing is another powerful use case. While agents can adjust prices based on demand and competition, pricing authority must remain a management decision. Guardrails are essential to prevent misaligned optimization from hurting your brand. Finally, The shopping agent represents the highest level of autonomy. It can search, compare, and buy on behalf of the customer. Success here depends not just on intelligence, but on a robust authorization architecture with clear spending and merchant limits. When prioritizing these use cases, use a matrix based on value, risk, data quality, and reversibility. This helps you identify which tasks are ready for automation and which ones require strict human checkpoints. Remember this critical principle. Do not just ask what the AI agent can do, ask what it should be allowed to do. You must define the constraints, evidence, and checkpoints, as automation never eliminates accountability. In summary, agents pursue goals and take actions. Governance costs rise with autonomy. There are 7 key touchpoints, and prioritizing use cases requires balancing value against risk. As we conclude, consider this. If an agent knows a customer better than they know themselves, who is really making the purchase decision? Reflect on what you would never delegate to an agent, and the rules you would set to protect that boundary.